Hello friend, how are you? Welcome to back my YouTube channel. Friend, my showing front table the CRT TV 21 inch TV problem, backlight low, no backlight, TV motherboard, TV picture tube okay and motherboard problem, all voltage okay, but no skin, no backlight. Anyway, TV repair showing. Friend, the motherboard no filament voltage down, filament voltage no glowing. Friend friend only one technique, TV this TV repair, my work your love, my channel subscribe. Friends, on wire just on wire coiling, two turn, flyback silicon core, SMD core, filament resistance on leg, filament resistance on leg, resistance on leg, soldering, two leg soldering wire. Friend, install AC cord, input AC cord, sensor cord, AC plug input, friend, changing this wire, এদিকে ধরতে হয়, changing this wire, moving, understand? AC plug input, friend, filament glowing, look at the picture tube gun. Friend, TV is okay, okay friend. Thank you my video, like, comment, share, please channel subscribe. Okay.